Welcome to Mohawk College Co-Curricular Record. A co-curricular record is like a transcript that tracks all of your non-academic involvement. You track your involvement by adding positions to your CCR, then a validator checks your CCR and approves your positions. Let's get started. First, log on to your My Mohawk account. Click on the Campus Life tab. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and select the Co-Curricular Record link. If you're not already registered, review the important information, then hit the I agree button. From there, it will bring you to the Career Ready page. On the left, click the Co-Curricular Record tab. To add a position to your record, select the Add a Position button. In the Add Positions tab, you can select any position available within the community or the college campus. You can either use the search bar at the top of the page and type in the name of the position, or select the period, category, and activity for your search. Scroll down to view the different positions within that activity. Select the View Position button to review the position information, and click the Add Position button to add it to your CCR. Easy, right? You'll be prompted to select between 2 to 5 achievement statements that reflect your personal learning outcomes from your involvement. Once complete, scroll down and hit Save, and it will now be on your profile. To edit your positions, go back to the CCR tab. From there, you will see all the positions you have added. Beside your positions, there is an Edit and a Remove button. Once you click the Edit button, you can scroll down to add hours, enter the date, hours spent, and a brief description of your involvement, including the name of your staff contact, and hit Save. Once you're all set with your positions, they will sit pending until a validator has approved them. You're all set. Mohawk College.